Hello, I'm Dr. Will, your psychology instructor for your Psychology 1101 Introductory to Psychology course. I'm making this orientation video, and this is so that you can see more or less where things are. This is the view as you will see it, okay? You will see course information, orientation, first assignment, here's the textbook, okay, APA guidelines, and then the modules 1, 2, 3, 4. For each module, you're gonna have so many different chapters in it. Right now, you cannot see it until you do your first assignment. So you have to do your first assignment in order to get access to the course modules, okay? Just to give you an example of what they look like, if you click on them, you're going to see a series of links: faculty information, course syllabus, course schedule, make policy, academic integrity, technical needs for this class. You need to have a computer and fast internet connection. College resources, very important that you know where to find things. And other questions asked. Let's say, for example, you click on faculty information, you will see my information. I include a cell phone number that I use only for students. And you can call my office number or my cell phone number. In any case, if you get the voicemail, please leave a message. Don't just hang up. In the message, give me your name, what class you're in. Don't say psychology, because I teach many psychology courses. You need to learn your CRN number. If you look at the very top, there are some numbers here, and your schedule given to you for the school, you will see the CRN number. Or at least tell me I'm in your introductory psychology class at CGTC on, say, Mondays and Wednesdays, or online, so I can find you easily. Okay. So another thing, you have your course syllabus here, your course schedule here. Make a policy for this course. Very important that you know this. Make a policy, because your work in this class is due on Fridays, not Sundays. Okay. Again, the work for this class, the exams, the quizzes, everything is due on Fridays. So each Friday you will have to have completed your assignments for that week. Saturdays and Sundays are makeup days. In other words, you have Saturday to make up and Sunday to make up anything that you did not do by Friday. However, there may be some deductions on the grades, so you have to be careful with that. Okay? So that's the makeup policy. In the course syllabus, if you go into it, okay, you will see a document. Click on it, it will open up like this, and there's the course syllabus. Okay? For the schedule, so you know, although you will know what work is due, because the only work open that is due on that Friday is going to be open. It's going to be the only module. One module a week will be open for you, or two if you are in a mini master. Okay, so the modules that are open is the work that is due on that week, on that Friday. But this is a calendar here. You can look into it and refer to it. Now this may change, this calendar, so always check what assignments are open, so you know what work is due on that week. So again, the work is due on Fridays, and the assignments that are open are the ones that are due on that week. Only one module per week will be open, or two modules if you are in a mini master. Okay? So anyway, so you got other things to look into it. Please check each one of them. Here's your orientation information and introductions to discussion forums, although in this class there'll be minimal. First assignment that is due on the 14th. Important that you do this first assignment so you can have access to these modules. Okay, now I'm going to exit the student view and I'm going to go into my own views. It's pretty similar, except of course I can see everything. When you go to modules and you click on modules, you're going to see open chapter 1 and 2 introduction, or chapter 3 or chapter 4. Now you're only going to see one open, only one. So the first week, chapters 1, 2 are due, right? These are going to be closed. They're hidden from you. I'll open only one a week. But just so you see what they look like, you're going to have reading material, you're going to have videos, you're going to have PowerPoint, you have your chapter 1 and quiz, that's due on Friday, okay, and that's what it's due on Friday, and then you have the exam due on Friday. So in other words, when chapter 1 module is open, these two assignments, quiz and exams, are due by Friday midnight. You do have Saturday and Sunday to make up. Now, once Sunday passes, this module right here is going to be closed and you will have no access to it again. So you must stay on top of this, because once the module is closed, you will not have any more access to do any makeup. All right. So the grades will stay as they are. There are no makeovers. There are no resetting of assignments. They are not opening modules. Do not ask to open a module because you miss an assignment, because it will not be open. All right, so it's important that you know that. So as you can see, each module will have the chapters that are due. Only one chapter will be open a week. Okay, and you see, that's the way it's gonna look for you. But of course, you're only gonna see one, and that one is the work that is due by Friday midnight. Okay. Also, it's important that you look into your APA guidelines. This is very important right here. Okay, here's the semester project guidelines. Here are APA citation style guide. Okay, so these two things, it's important that you look into it, because the semester project is going to require you to use APA guidelines. Especially when you do your references, they have to be APA guidelines, not MLA. The basic difference between APA and MLA in references is that APA uses what is called hanging indentation. APA uses those, MLA does not. Okay, so that's important that you do that. Again, I'm here to help you in any situation you may have. If you get behind, if you miss any work, don't wait 2-3 weeks to let me know. Let me know immediately. Okay, now, when you miss work or you have any questions about your grades, I discuss that on a phone call or in person, not via emails. Okay, so it's important that you get used to call me. And if I called you and leave a message, I expect you to return that call. And if you see anything there saying call me, please do call me immediately. Now, again, I can emphasize it enough. When you call me, leave a message if you get the voicemail with your name, what psychology class you're in. Don't just say I'm in your psychology class online. Don't say that. because I teach many courses. Okay, so again, let me know how I can help you, and we should be excited to get on with this semester. Okay, so until then, I say I'll see you later. Hasta la vista.